Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin on your Mac, open System Settings, and click your Apple ID. This takes you straight to iCloud. Once there, make sure Share My Location is enabled. This lets devices announce their location. If it's off, toggle it on now because the switch won't work otherwise. You're preparing the Mac to manage device selection, so confirm you're signed in with the same Apple ID used on your iPhone. Once done, move to the device list to pick which device shares. Now open the Find My App or the People section in System Settings. These show devices tied to your Apple ID. Once the Devices tab appears, scan the list for the Mac, iPhone, or iPad you want to use. Click the device and look for Use this device for location. Select it. This action tells Apple's servers to route location updates from that hardware. Make sure the chosen device has location services enabled and a functioning internet connection. Finish by restarting both the device you chose and your Mac. Restarts force iCloud to resync. Then verify from a friend's phone or another device that your shared location shows the new device. If it doesn't update, sign out and back into your Apple ID on the problematic device because stale tokens often block changes. Also, check that location services and Find My have permission. If those are off, the device can't announce its location. One key tip: toggling Wi-Fi or cellular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.